Decision Plus has been and still is a leading stock market service provider. From training to coaching, we cover it all. Try both our software as well as our coaching site, completely free for 10 days without obligation. No credit card is needed to sign up for the trial. The trial subscription will be automatically canceled for you at the end. DecisionPlus.com, your stock market service center. Real-time coaching has been created. We search and classify critical reports and technical movements. You can visualize or hear the best buying and selling opportunities. Get real-time advice all day long and 3 live coaching shows per day. Let us do the work and save your time for trading. Try MarketGurus.tv free without obligation for 10 days in the menus above. Market Vision Plus is the trading companion of so many investors. Make your fundamental and technical analysis easy with Canada's #1 stock market decision-making software. Research, decide, and follow your positions with Market Vision Plus. See the menus just above this program and try Market Vision Plus for 10 days without any obligation after the show. When it comes to day trading, Trader Plus is the right tool. Track 50 quotes simultaneously. Create dozens of quick lists. Display as many as 30 real-time intraday charts at the same time. Watch the action with candlesticks or bar charts as fast as 10 seconds. See the market by sectors. Use the chart models already prepared for you. Try Trader Plus for 10 days in the menu above without any obligation.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the Swing Trading Show, Wednesday, August 24, 2016. The markets are going down, not very much. Everything is on a slowdown, I could say. It was a false signal yesterday with the Nasdaq going above its long sideways movement, as every market were sideways too, and it's still the same situation today. There isn't much changes in that. The US dollar is bouncing back a little bit, and but if you look at the situation, it is very simple. Look at this little rectangle here. That's the Nikkei market, and this is the China market, and the London market, and the SPY, the Nasdaq market, which is still sideways too, and the Dow Jones, and also the TSX. So, what do you want me to say? Do you see any bullish cycle anywhere there? No, there aren't any. So there wasn't much in the news today other than news about Janet Yellen that will speak tomorrow, in 2 days, Friday afternoon at Jackson Hole, where many members of the central bank will meet each other to discuss about the economy. And there was a few financial results, and the LANET went up from 60 to 73, and DICOM went down with a good result, 156 to 164, and RenaSola too, and then came back up with a good report of 4 cents. They were expecting, they got 5 cents. Lazy Boy got only 1 cent less, but the stock went down by 14%. And Express is also going down a lot. They were expecting 17 cents. They got 13 cents, minus 5.8 in the sales. And Royal Bank was going up and then is going down. They were they were expecting 170. They got 172. AstraZeneca and Pfizer. It's AstraZeneca that sells its antibiotic small molecule to Pfizer, and no one's moving on it. Inotech Pharmaceutical has started to recruit people for some tests, and stock is moving neither. And Clovis Technology, they will be like they will be examined, investigated by the FDA. And they are for a new product concerning a cancer of some sort, and but the result is expected in 6 months. So what's going to happen in between then? And you know what happened when the report is bad, the stock comes back down. So in the long term, I'll be worried about that, as every other in the markets are, because the stock jumped, but it stopped right there. So it could be interesting in the next few days in day trading, or in a very short term in swing trading. Orasure have received a contract from the U.S. government for 16.6 million to accelerate its development of their kits for the Zika virus. And we got a news on Prometic. Prometic said that they are going to acquire the totality of the share of the outstanding share of Telestat Therapeutic for 14 cents per share. And it's supposed to be concluded in November. So they are planning something. So the stock has escaped the risk of breaking its support, and it's heading towards its resistance right now. And PEA, and this is Tesla at the price of the offer. So, and the deal is in shares. So probably that if you are in that stock, you will probably receive shares of Prometic sooner or later. And where is the here it's Resources. Sphinx and Sirius has an agreement of 50-50 to explore the 551 claim near the Eleonore fail in Abitibi. The Eleanor Falls, I should have said, there. So, and Sirius is still sideways. We're waiting for the next sell or buy signal, and Sphinx rose on that, and now is sitting at 10 cents. So we got to wait to see whenever it's going to happen a little bit. Later, so there should be some more movement there soon. The stock hasn't done much over the last few years, but now it could be its time. I got a question here from Sylvain from Lac Albanel. He says how to find the quote of TTNN on the TSX. So that's just have to select the energy sector somehow, somewhere. I don't know. I mean, just go through the site. You should be able to do that. And if you don't find it, look at decisionplus.com. It's right there, probably on your left among the sectors there. Hi, Michel. How about DCI? DCI. Direct cash payment. That seems to be very, very close to do a major breakout, and the stock is right on the limit of its downtrend there. So with some, it's never a stock that is liquid. So I hate trading that sort of stock because look, in a normal day there's about 40,000, and today it's only 30,000 share traded. So I hate a little bit those kind of stock. The volume is weak, but for a small position, could it be a go? And what do you think of HNL? Okay, but it's not a go yet. Okay, but if you, as you said, if you want a small position, HNL, Horizon North Logistic. So far, it's pretty hard to know where he's heading because he's returned down after reaching its resistance. But the downtrend, the uptrend is still valid. But the stock is never liquid neither. So, 213. So if it goes to 190, it could go to with 213. To me, it's not a very interesting stock. BFF, Nevada Energy Metal aborted phase one and last chance to get in cheap. Do I have the real one? BFFV. Okay, why did you say aborted phase one? Oh, you mean that one? In the first short term, or last chance to get in cheap? No, you just wait for a second chance. So wait for 13s for 15 to 16 cents. That's all. NDM. Norton Dynasty, but so far it's okay. I mean, the stock is going sideways. So far, we shouldn't be too worried about that. We just see this from that to that, there to there, and it's sitting on the support. So as long as it doesn't break the 90 cents, we're okay so far. But for the next buy signal, it's 115. And this is it for the question. If you have any other, send it right away. They'll be answered. So in the meantime, look, the crude oil is a little bit in danger. If you look at that chart, that was the bullish cycle here, and then it was sideways. And then today it came back to the bottom here. So if it breaks under 1070, we're back into a bearish cycle, and the gas still going up, but the stocks still remain at the top. So who's going to win the battle? I think if the crude oil keeps going down, sooner or later the institution will let go their position. But it's not the case right now, so we hold on, because it is fine that to see that the institution don't want to sell their position. But for the gold is going down today. It's stabilized for the moment, but since yesterday, again, the gold stock has suffered quite a bit. And even though the gold doesn't continue down, the stocks are on their lowest of the day still.
Find answers to your questions by emailing your host at btm@decisionplus.com.
5 good reasons to manage your investments with National Bank Direct Brokerage. Commission fees fixed at $9.95 anytime for all clients and starting at only $6.95 for active investors. No administrative fees if you hold at least $20,000 in your accounts. Registered accounts available in U.S. currency. Powerful tools to help you manage your portfolio. Award-winning customer service and satisfaction levels amongst the highest in the industry. To learn more, visit nbdb.ca or call us now.
Real-time coaching has been created. We search and classify critical reports and technical movements. You can visualize or hear the best buying and selling opportunities. Get real-time advice all day long and 3 live coaching shows per day. Let us do the work and save your time for trading. Try marketgurus.tv free without obligation for 10 days in the menus above.
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Look at the price of the gold stock. They were heading down already, like here. But then, in 2 days in a row, the trend got steeper. So it's not looking good right now. It's really going down. There was a lot of breakout today, like Agnico Eagle broke down and reversed its trend there. But there's still the support here. But in some cases they have broken it, like Franco-Nevada, and so there's lots of pressure on the gold stock here. You can see that how many stocks are plunging right now. that it started on the slow side, but now it's really going down. So this is a sector to avoid totally, even on the play it down, because it's been going down quite a bit already. So it's very hard to know what to do once we haven't taken action earlier. So it's not looking very good. And what are the market doing right now? So we still have a little bit of pressure. I had predicted a bigger negative number for today, and I think we're heading there. So it seems like it's coming back down right here on the NASDAQ market. And until it reverses, so far it's not really looking good. And the M, here I have another one. NDM at 99 cents a few minutes ago. Okay, so you buy and then you call for the advice. Okay, NDM, that's all right. Oh, you bought it at 99 a few minutes ago, but I really wonder. I mean, okay, so you are you're going all in one in here, because you bought a downtrend. So you bought a bearish cycle within a downtrend, even though on a very short term it is neutral, it is within the downtrend and it is a bearish cycle. So you bought it right there. So the bad thing about it is that, okay, but what if the stock will break here the 90 cents? So what would you do? So because there would be a sell signal, no matter how what the name of the stock and no matter what you do. If the volume would increase and the stock would go down, you'd have to sell there technically. But hope for the best. You may be right at the very bottom, and you can make an easy 10% there. But be careful if it ever goes down here. Hi, Michelle. Is NLNK a good buy? NLNK. Neuralink Genetics. But what are you risking? Okay, you're risking a lot still. The stock is worth $10. It's at the almost its low ever. No, it went to 7 before in 2011. It seems this company seems to have lots of difficulties, and since the month of May, I think there's no rush to buy a stock like that. Look at this. Since May, it's been to this support many times. Okay, and if we look at it with a closer look, you see the tops are always lower. So I really wonder, every time the seller sells, they stop selling at this level and buyers start buying. But it worries me if it would go down again here. If you buy it, there's no buy signal here, first of all. Okay, so the only thing that could start looking at a buy signal is seeing the price at 11.75 at the least. But if you buy this at this price, I really suggest you to escape it if the stock ever breaks to 9.50. So this is it for today, folks. Thank you very much, and keep looking at the market. Oh, then maybe we'll have a little chance here. Nasdaq is making an attempt, but there's no bullish momentum at all right now on that market. So if the market plays a little bit this afternoon, it could be nice in day trading. But in swing trading, try to avoid most everything right now, and watch for the beginning of something, but it doesn't look like it's going to happen today. Thank you very much for attending. We'll see you next time.